how to remove paid partnership from a post or reel on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the paid partnership or brand content from your reels or your post within the Instagram app on an iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to start with removing paid partnership from a post on Instagram, open up the post on Instagram, then select the three dots in the top right. And then at the bottom, you'll see partnership label and ads. Select that. And then all you need to do is toggle off add paid partnership label, select done. Then when you get back to the post, you should see that the label is no longer there. Now on a reel, it's slightly different. Just going to open up the reel and you'll see paid partnership right there. Select the three dots in the bottom right and then select manage. And after that, partnership label and ads, and then just toggle off add partnership label and then select done. It'll bring you back to the reel where you're going to first have to back out of it. And then when you reload it, you should see that the paid partnership text is removed from that reel. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.